How to replace the tablet on the Human Touch Certus massage chair. Start by turning the power switch, located on the back of the chair, to off, then unplug the chair. On the left side of the seat, pull the pads away to access the upholstered flap. Lift the flap to detach the hook and loop fasteners. Follow the tablet cable to find the connector. Turn the connector lock counterclockwise until loose, then pull gently to remove. To install the new tablet, insert the connector by aligning the notch and pin holes from the connector to the socket. Then, after inserting the connector into the socket, turn the connector lock clockwise until tight to secure. Run the tablet cable along the side of the seat toward the front of the chair, and press the upholstered flap down onto the seat over the cables and connections to secure. Place the new tablet into the holder with the cable centered in the bracket.